Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to buy USDT on BitMart. To buy USDT or Tether on BitMart, first of all, open the BitMart application or website and log into your account. After signing in, make sure that you have completed any required identity verification to access trading and purchasing options. After you are done, go ahead and tap on the Assets button at the bottom right-hand corner. Now, click on Add Crypto on the next page. Select a deposit method you would like to use from Deposit via Crypto Network, Buy Crypto via Card, or P2P trading options. Choose any one method, and after you are done, on the next page, specify the amount of USDT you want to buy or the amount of your currency you wish to spend. In the first tab, it'll ask you to enter the amount that you want to pay. Make sure you select your fiat currency correct and then enter the amount you would like to spend. Right after you do that, go to the bottom drop down and select USDT if you haven't done so already. You will then be able to see the amount of USDT you will be receiving with this particular payment. After you are done entering and specifying the amount of your currency or your USDT, click on the Buy USDT button at the bottom and follow through the instructions. Review the transaction details including any fee, confirm the purchase to complete the transactions, and after a few moments, go to the assets to see your updated USDT balance. So that is how you will be able to buy USDT on BitMart. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.